Hello, welcome everyone to today's tutorial. So in today's class, we're going to talk about the assignment operators in Python. So what are assignment operators? The assignment operator is an operator we use to assign values to variable. So we can assign a value which can either be a data, an expression, or a structure. So for example, we have that x is equal to 5. So in this case, this equal sign is the assignment operator, where 5 is assigned to the variable x. We can also have that y is equal to a list like 1, 4, 6. So in this case, we'll have that the list is assigned to this variable y. Let's say we have z equal to 10, and then we can have that u is equal to x plus z. So in this case, the expression x plus z is assigned to variable u. In this case, where x plus z is assigned to the variable u, the expression is first evaluated before it is assigned to the variable. So let's print out this data to see what they look like. So in this case, these are all the variables and the data assigned to them. So here I want to print out the values the variables are assigned to. Let me run this now and see. So here you can see the first is 5, which is x, and then the list 146, which is y, and then 10, which is z, and then u, which is 15, which is evaluating the 5 plus the 10. So this is a simple way of assigning values to variables, but there are other ways we can use to assign values to variables. Another way is a complex assignment where all the variables and values are assigned on one line. So I can say x, comma, y, comma, z, comma, u, is equal to 5, and then I copy this. Okay, so let me clear this once. So you can see I'm also having the same value as before. So in this case, the variables are assigned to their values on one line and they are separated by a comma. So each of the data is assigned to the respective variable on the left hand side. This list is assigned to y, the z is assigned to 10, and u is assigned to the expression 5 plus 10. Another way is by chain assignment, where all the variables are assigned to one value. So for example, we can have that x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to u, which is equal to 5. So in this case, the value 5 is assigned to all the variables in memory. And let's print this and see. You can see they all hold the value 5 and 5. So let's say we have w is equal to 10. And then we print w. Okay, so let's print this and see. So w is 10. And let's say now we want to increment the value of w from 10 to 15. So what we now do is that we can say that w is equal to 10 plus 5. Let's print w. So here you have seen that the first value of w is 10 and the second value of w is 15, meaning that the value of w has been overwritten by this new data or this expression 10 plus 5. Okay, so in a case, previously w was 10, right? And now we're also saying 10 plus 5. In Python, we can say that w is equal to w plus 5. So in this case, what it means is that since we have said that the expression is first evaluated, so this expression, which is w plus 5, would first be evaluated by Python, saying that in this case, w is now 15. And so 15 plus 5 will now give it 20, and then 20 will now be assigned to w. So let's print this and see if that will be the result. So you can see, in the first case, W is 10, which is this one. In the second case, W is 10 plus 5, which is 15. So in this case now, W is now the 15 plus 5, which is now 20. Now, in Python, there's a shorthand method of representing this expression. What we are going to do is to remove this addition sign and place it before the assignment operator, and then remove this W. So let's print this and see now. So you can see we have 10, 15, and 20, which we also have as before. So let's say we want to increment W by 7. What we have to do is just do a plus equal to 7. And if we run this, we see that the value of W was 15, and adding 7 to it is making it 22. So let's say we also want to reduce W by 2. It's just by removing this plus sign and putting a subtraction sign. And then let's remove this and run the program. So you can see W in the first case was 10, and then here it was 15, and then by reducing 15 by 2 we have 13. This type of assignment operators are called the augmented assignment operators or the compound assignment operators. So the augmented operators follows for all the operators that we have for arithmetic operation. So they can be used for augmented operations in a particular variable. So let's say we also want to divide W by 2. We can also use division and equal to, and then 2. And this gives us the answer of 7.5, because W is 15 and 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. We can also do an exponentiation where we do this, and then so we're actually taking W to the power of 2. So let's run this program and see what the output will be. So you can see W is 225 because 15 to the power of 2 is 225. So here are some things to note. In these augmented operations, there should be no space between the arithmetic operators and the assignment operator. So they should all be on one line, because if I try to put a space in between them right here now and then run this program, so you can see I'm having an error. So there should be no space in between them, and I run this program back and I'm getting my answers correctly. Please subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified about our content. Like and share the video for us to have a wider reach. So that is that about the assignment operators. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment below and I will do well to respond to them. Do have a nice day. Thank you.